In my last video, I posted the analysis of how Veekee James made Osas Ighodalo's style, and in today's video, I'm going to be analyzing how she made Toke Makinwa'S dress to the Amvca. If this is what you would love to learn, keep on watching. Watch this video till the end. Like my video, share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. My name is Winifred. You are welcome to the channel. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. You might be wondering that instead of just talking and talking, why don't I make a full tutorial of this dress? You all know that Veekee James dresses are not one to play with. They are very expensive, and it is very difficult to make a full tutorial of it. That is why I've come up with this documentary to analyze and break it down to the simplest form. Alright, so that we can all learn how this masterpiece, this work of art, this wearable art, like she calls it, was made. So let's start with the analysis. This dress is a work of art, and I believe the inspiration came from all these designs that you can see here. So if you can make a hoop skirt perfectly, then you can come up with this design. You need bones, you need your steel to make a structured design. And of course, it started off with a sketch. They sketched out how they wanted the dress to be. If you are a creative fashion designer, not a roadside tailor, you should be able to sketch your designs, envision what you want it to look like on paper before bringing it to life. The materials I can see here are, they used net, they used organdy. Organdy is another form of organza. It's thicker than organza, but it is not organza. And the baseline was a cupped corset. And then you know that Veekee James loves to work with tulle, so they started off with tulle, but the down part of this dress was organza, and the structure that was going on at the front bodice was made with organdy. And then the round steel was used to give it that structure. And then after using the baseline to do the dress placement with tulle, the baseline is going to be a corset, and then you place tulle on top of it to form the actual dress, and then the down part was formed with organdy. So now this dress was actually painted. All the shimmery and shiny stuffs that you were seeing on the dress were paints. Okay, they used paints to bring out the shiny effect instead of the beads that we are already used to. So even though there were still beads incorporated on it, what makes this dress so unique was the painting. Like, the painting was a beautiful work of art that was carefully done, and everything was shiny because they already mixed the paint with some shiny stuff. I think when you are working with this design, you should work with a painter, because you cannot, or an artist, because you cannot know all these things and do all these things on your own. An artist will be able to tell you the right places to put the paints, the right materials to use, and all that jazz. Okay, so they painted all the steel that was used to make this structured part that was at the front. And then this was a tool. I think there's a kind of tool that Veekee uses that is kind of strong. It's not so soft, so it's easy to work with. I don't know what that tool is called, but I'm going to make my findings. But if you know it, you can also educate us by dropping your thoughts in the comment section down below. And then after the painting was done, they went ahead to use all kinds of stones and beads and sequins. I can see sequins here, I can see cloth stones, I can see glass beads, I can also see crystal beads. I think those are all what they used in embellishing this dress, but cloth stones were very many and sequins also were very many there. And then there were some little stoning effects that they used on the dress, and the finishing was so perfect because they left no stone untouched. And the unique thing again about the painting was that they did not just paint it anyhow. The painting had lines that was connecting from one point to the other, that was giving it the artistic look. Like the painting was not just roughly done, it was neatly done with a purpose. And that was it. That was how this beautiful masterpiece was made. I hope you enjoyed this analysis in the simple way that I can. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.